I'm Brad Hosler.
And I'm Allie Hosler. We're the owners of DryTech Exteriors, and we're well known in Dayton as the gutter guard expert. When it comes to gutter protection for your residential or commercial Dayton property, it's important to understand what gutter guards are, how they differ, and why choosing the right gutter installer matters.
Clearing out your gutters is a daunting chore, but it's vital to keep your gutter systems clear of leaves, sticks, pine needles, and other debris, which can very easily prevent a gutter system from functioning properly and potentially cause damage to the foundation of your home or business. Fortunately, for residential homeowners and business owners, gutter guards are an effective way to prevent debris from clogging up an existing gutter system.
Water falling from a roof, which overflows clogged gutters, can cause really big problems. Basement flooding, damaged siding and fascia, decks and patios, and even interior damage. Clogged gutters will also cause wood siding, sheathing, and trim to rot, requiring expensive repairs. Installing gutter guards is an upgrade that will protect your home from big problems.
There are also so many different brands and types of gutter guards. The options can be overwhelming to say the least. At DryTech Exteriors, we've evaluated every option by putting them through their paces with hands-on testing, and we would love to share which options are the best fit for your gutter system. Not all gutter guard systems are the same, and in the same way, not all installers are the same.
So, what makes DryTech Exteriors the best choice for gutter guard installation in Dayton? Well, at DryTech Exteriors, we stand out in the gutter guard industry for several reasons. We have a team of highly skilled and experienced professionals who are committed to delivering top quality guttering services. We use the best materials and follow industry standards to ensure your gutter guards are installed correctly the first time. Plus, we offer warranties to give you peace of mind knowing your investment is protected.
For years, DryTech Exteriors has been voted Best of Dayton, the next door neighborhood favorite, and we were awarded the Better Business Bureau Eclipse Integrity Torch Award.
We have even earned the Owens Corning Platinum Preferred status, putting us in the top 1% of contractors in the whole country for customer satisfaction, quality, and financial stability. And DryTech Exteriors has received more 5-star reviews than any other Dayton roofing company.
Gutter guards are a convenient addition to your home. When installed right by pros like us, they can enhance the comfort, protection, and value of your property. Don't take risks with your gutter guards. Choose DryTech Exteriors for all your guttering needs. Contact our family business today for a free inspection or estimate.